So we've all heard about U values, but what does it mean to you? We've all heard it's a per square meter, per Kelvin watt. But what you want to understand is what is it going to cost me as a homeowner to upgrade my insulation when I'm building a new build or retrofit, and how much energy am I going to save per year? So let's take a few examples of U values that we're touting out. So if we're looking at passive house, we're going to try and maybe on the walls get a 0.1 U value. Now, to work that out in monetary cost, we have our U value, and then we're going to times it by the area, but this is a minute, this is 1 square meter, by our kilowatt hours demand for our area. Now, if you go online on intelligentmembranes.com, you can find out your area. So in the UK, our average is about 76. So if we take these measurements times our area times 76, well, we're working off this a square meter, we're at 7.6 kilowatts. On this one, we're at 15.2 kilowatts. Okay, so now we know what the kilowatt cost is going to be per square meter of my building. So now let's put that in monetary terms. So the average cost of electric, say in the UK, is 34p per kilowatt. So we times that by 7.6, we have our answer of about £2.58. And if we do the same for the 15.2, we have £5, say 17, £5.17, there we are. So that's how much our building fabric per square meter will lose through the energy passing through it every single year. So on the passive house version, we have £2.58, and on the non-passive house, we have £5.17. So there's a big difference there. That's double the cost. And what this doesn't actually allow for is this is our protected U value. So if we're not protecting the U value through air loss as well, because air loss will have a massive impact on energy loss. So on a square meter, if we have a 1 mil gap going down a 1 square meter line, our energy cost will be quadrupled to 4.8, a factor. That'll be that times that, just by having 1 meter and a 1 mil gap. So when people talk about parge coating, and they've always done parge coating for air tightness, when that parge coating cracks after the first year and we've had some building movement, that's how much energy you're going to start losing through that building. Okay, so we've done some simple maths there. So let's work it on a typical house. So if we have 300 square meters of wall, floor and roof area, so we can times that by our 2.58, which will give us 775 or thereabouts. And then if we're going to go to this value, which is the non-passive house standard, this would be 1,550. That's per year cost of energy going through my wall, per year cost of energy going through my wall. You'll double on the 0.2 value. Okay, I've shown you how to do the calculation, but if you head over to intelligentmembranes.com, we have an online U value calculator, and we can show you the energy, the cost you will save every year by upgrading your U values on your build.